Morning, colleagues. Hope you've got your coffee on hand. Welcome back to Friday 5 in 5. Apologies for last week. Lots of things going on. I think it's the same for everybody, reports and all these different things that are piling up towards the end of the year. My first one is this video here. It's about 5 minutes long, so I'm not going to add it to this video, but I'll put a link below. And it's using Diffit again, but this time all this guy does is just click on the suggested prompts, and it's fascinating to see what happens when he goes down that particular route. And this one, I think, is trying to create a worksheet about soap bubbles. So if you've got a little bit of time, click on it and watch it, and it just really does highlight the power of Diffit. I think if I did a search for the number of times that I've mentioned the word Diffit in my 5 in 5 videos, it'd be hundreds. If you've never used Diffit, please do click on our dashboard and then go to the AI apps and click on it. It's a pro license that we have to be able to use it. Those people that do take the plunge and spend a bit of time in it realize how much time it will save you, but more important than that, the quality of the resources that it will generate. Okay, next for me, we've been working on trying to make things a little bit more seamless in iSAMS. It's the iSAMS optimization project. And one of the things that we've realized is that quite a lot of people want to be able to see some of the BPSnet modules inside of iSAMS, just to save you a little bit of time so that you don't have to dance around between different tabs that are open in your browser. So what does that look like? Here I'm on iSAMS. So I've launched iSAMS, and now we have access to the common BPSnet modules that we use directly within iSAMS. So if I click on this waffle up here, I can search for the ones that we've injected into so search. If I just search for BPS, then you can see here I have a list of the modules that are within iSAMS itself. So for example, if I wanted to do a search for a staff search, you'll see that it looks like it's within iSAMS, but now we have staff search directly within iSAMS itself. So if I go to, there's my time and attendance schedule module, and there is staff search. So again, if I want to do room booking, you can see here I now have room booking. All of these are directly within, let me just move this out of the way, it's just annoying me. Directly within iSAMS, we can now flick between these different things. We've also, I think, put in things like Outlook. So you can actually click on this and it will take you to your Outlook. So lots of things that are within inside this menu. And if I undo that, then you can see all of the things that we've put inside of there just to keep everything within one ecosystem. The links on Firefly still work. It's all exactly the same. It just allows you to very quickly be able to dance between the different BPSnet modules and the different functions of iSAMS. Right, how long has that been? 3 minutes. Okay, last one for me is within some of the apps. When you click on a, let's say if I'm in Teams and I've got a Word document within Teams or a PowerPoint or Excel, sometimes you want it to actually open within Teams itself or the browser or the app itself. So if I click on a Word document, do I want it to open in the browser or do I want it to open in the Word app? And you can control all of those different things. And now you can do the same in OneNote as well. So if I go to OneNote and if I go to File, Options, under Advanced, you now have the ability to open up. If I just zoom into this bit here, look, we can open the OneNote links and we can choose where to open them in a browser or a desktop. That functionality has been in Teams for some time. It's also in Outlook, and now it is in OneNote. And in fact, I think there's a little here, look, open links. So this web page here, I'll put a link in the description below, tells you how to control what to do with those links. So for example, if I'm in Teams and I want the links to open up in the desktop app or the browser or directly within Teams, or if I'm in Outlook, the classic Outlook, what do I want those links to be able to do? And now you can do it in OneNote. Okay, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.